Hey friends, welcome to the channel. In today's video, this is going to be all about a niche that is evergreen on Etsy. This can be applied to any type of Etsy seller, but specifically I am print on demand. So I'm going to be telling you the types of print on demand products that this niche can be applied to in this video. This is evergreen, but there are 3 times that this college or university niche tends to spike, and right now is one of those times in August. Then another time is around Christmas when people are searching for gifts for their loved ones. And then another time is around like April or May when people are graduating college, or the people that are graduating high school and going into their college or their university. It's another big gift giving time, and also a time that they want to purchase for themselves so that they can represent their school. Not only does the person that attends the college want to represent their college, but it's also a really big gift giving niche around graduation time or around the send-off time, which is now. There are also deeper niches within colleges, so think like sororities or like football teams, and all the many different products that can be paired with these things. In this video, I'm going to tell you a few things that you need to be careful of when you're designing for this niche, but I'm also going to show you some examples and some example products. Okay, so here we are on Etsy. This is the first place I go to do my product research. So I went to the search and I just typed in college, and EVERBEE is showing us that college is being actively searched for as we speak. There's a lot of popular nows and bestsellers, and this video is geared more towards print-on-demand sellers, but I just wanted to point out some things that are selling really big. These survival kits. So this is a personalized survival kit, and then this one as well, this survival box, they're calling it, and it's filled with gift cards. That's an awesome idea. I wish I had that when I went to school. So there are some handmade products that you could dominate in this niche as well if you're a handmade seller. And let me just show you how much these products are bringing in. So this is EVERBEE here, and I'm going to come over to the monthly revenue. I have it blurred out just for the respect of these shops, but if you want to try out EVERBEE on your own to dig more into this research, you can sign up for EVERBEE for free with the link in my description below. But here is some of the monthly revenue, monthly, of what some of these listings are bringing in for the college niche. And this one here has only been up for 5 months, and it's already made almost 4,000 sales, and it's bringing in this amount this month. That's pretty crazy. Here's another one. It's only been up for 5 months. I love taking a look at the listing age because that's just super inspiring to me. So we're going to click out of here. I do want to be very clear. This is so important. I would steer away from putting college names or university names on your products, in your titles, or in your tags, because full transparency here, when I was a newbie with Etsy, I got a trademark infringement for a sweatshirt that had a university name on it. So I took down anything that had university or college names on it just to be safe. I think the colleges and the universities want to sell their own merch, and maybe not every college or university is like going to Etsy to see if people are selling their products, but some will, and you don't want to risk getting trademark infringements, possibly getting your shop shut down. So steer away from actual names on your products. But this niche is just really great because there's just so many different types of products that you could sell in this niche, which makes it easier to stand out in such a big, broad niche. Sorry, I keep saying the word niche. This one's interesting here. These people are combining the Coquette niche with college, so that's huge. If you haven't seen my Coquette video yet, I will also link that in the description below. Coquette combined with any niche is really trending on Etsy right now. So that was very smart of them. Let's jump into Printify. I'm going to show you the products that I suggest selling for print on demand in the college niche. The biggest seller in this niche is sweatshirts. And my go-to sweatshirt is the Gildan 18,000. Comfort Colors is also a huge brand, but as you can see the price point difference, you're going to get a much bigger profit margin if you're selling the Gildan 18,000 as opposed to the Comfort Colors. There is a demographic for everyone on Etsy, so if someone really wants a comfort color sweatshirts, they will pay extra for it. But in my experience, this is the one that always sells. This is my best seller all year round. And if you're gonna put a design on a sweatshirt, then you might as well put that same design on a t-shirt. And my go-to t-shirt is this adult unisex, Bella Canvas 3001. It's the best quality in my opinion, along with comfort colors again, but this is the best quality for the best profit margin. Another big thing to consider adding to your shops are blankets. These are huge in the college football niche. Again, be careful with using, specific school names on your products and in your titles and tags, but you can probably get away with using colors and numbers. I would just be very careful with using actual names in your titles and tags. This blanket right here is super soft, and look how inexpensive it is. So it's $10.68 and the shipping is only $5.89. People will pay a good price for a blanket. You could charge like $29.99 for a blanket, especially if it's customized. And the prices that you're seeing here might look lower than the prices on your screen if you don't have Printify Premium. So Printify Premium is $24.99 a month, and it drastically lowers the prices of the products. So in my eyes, it's really worth it to do this, especially if you have consistent sales coming in. If you want to give Printify Premium a try for free, you can get your first month free on me, code Jenny in all caps when you sign up. Another great product and a huge profit margin is mugs. So people will gift these a lot of times around Christmas time or graduation gifts. They will gift a mug that has something to do with the college that they are going to. And take a look at this price here, $3.50. You can't beat that. And it's very good quality. Also, sororities are huge. I have sold so many shirts that literally just said like little or big on them. People, if one sorority likes a shirt, the whole sorority could end up buying it. So just keep that in mind. Tote bags, sweatshirts, t-shirts. Quick little intermission. If you're enjoying this video, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel for more Etsy print on demand tips. I have a free print on demand to freedom course in the description below, and I'm also currently offering shop reviews. You can find more information about that down in the description below, but let's jump back into it. And then another huge one around Christmas time are Christmas ornaments that have to do with college or college football or a specific sorority. These are big with gift giving on Etsy. You can make thousands and thousands of dollars in just a short amount of time. I know you might be saying, oh, I don't want to waste my time. This is a seasonal product. It's only going to make money like right before Christmas. You can make a lot of money just from selling one ornament in that short amount of time. Trust me, these are huge. So don't sleep on ornaments. Now, I don't want you to get stressed out with all these different products. Here's my suggestion for you. Put the design on a sweatshirt first. I know sweatshirts are my biggest sellers in my shop, so put the design on a sweatshirt first. If that design, sorry, it's a little windy, if that design takes off and becomes a bestseller, or even if it starts making like 3 to 4 sales, you see it made a couple sales, take that design and then put it on a t-shirt, put it on a tote bag, put it on a mug, put it on a Christmas ornament, and scale your shop from that best-selling design. Another huge way to scale your Etsy business with this niche is by adding customization to your listings, because a lot of people want to add a year to the product, or they might want to add a name to the product. So don't sleep on personalized listings. If you don't know how to do a personalized listing on Etsy, I have a full tutorial. I will link it in the description below. It'll show you step by step how to do this, and also what to do when you get an order for print on demand through Printify.